How to manage bits on Twitch. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage bits on Twitch. First thing, go to Twitch and then click this one here, profile, and now click account settings and then click this one, stream manager, and now click this one if you want to turn it off. And as you see, when I click on it, the bit has been turned off, and just click on it again if you want to turn it on. And that's how manage bits on Twitch. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.